outset, I must congratulate, Anthropos India Foundation for, organizing a one-day workshop on such an important issue, which will benefit the discipline, which will benefit the students, and they will get to know what are the opportunities available, before them. I have heard, two lectures which are excellent, one by Professor Pandey and one by Professor, Basa.
I would rather congratulate you that you thought that this is relevant for students, and I must congratulate you that you are doing a great job by bringing out different persons and connecting them with our young generation. I mean, I always find an exciting experience to interact with the young generation.
That it is very helpful for us as a career in anthropology to explore the gray area of anthropology. So it is very helpful, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Now that such workshop is happening with the careers that are available in anthropology, I think that literally opened many doors. And also, I'm very thankful to the Anthropos India Foundation, because such initiatives for a such very, very less known course, I know it's not a cakewalk for you people as well, having to find all the resource people across India, pulling them into one day seminar, especially on a Sunday. It should have been a very, very hectic task for you as well. So congratulations on that, and we are very thankful that you were able to organize this for us.
It's very mesmerizing for me, and to get too much of information, even though like I was thinking that I would get few information, but I was so shocked to get to know that so much information is available here, and directly by getting directly getting the information directly from those professors, like Professor Basa was there, Professor Ota was there. So that made me that I received and got some confidence that I can approach these institutes and the organization, either privately or like from the government as well, so that we can go and look for the other various opportunities in anthropology.
आपने वर्कशॉप करवाया, उससे वो चेंज, बिल्कुल माइंडसेट वो चेंज हो गया, क्योंकि बहुत सारी हिडन अपॉर्चुनिटीज थे जो हमें पता ही नहीं था, और वो आपने हमें बताया. थैंक यू सो मच. हमें जितने भी प्रोफेसर्स मिले, आप सब ने हमें ना वो अंदर एक जो चिंगारी होती है ना, वो आप लोगों ने जला दिया. और मुझे लगता है कमिंग 10 to 20 years, 2 decades, Indian decades होंगे. I promise to you, and thank you so much, Anthropos India.